This is a 2018 Ford F-150 rear wheel well liner install. We're going to install the metal clips first. As you can see, just push them right in. The other hole you can't install because it's round, not square. We're going to come to the front, bottom lower, to the back, bottom lower. And as you can see, the other holes, can't see because of the, are round. That's where the other plastic grommets go. This is the passenger side, which is the right side. Right side is as if a driver is sitting in the seat. Right is passenger, driver is left side.
Go.
Now we're going to install the wheel well liner. You basically tilt it up and in. Push it in place. Okay, push pause. So now we're going to put in the plastic grommets. Just push them in. Front one. What you can do is take the back of your ratchet or hammer and kind of make sure they're all the way in. And now we're going to do the rear. You got to push it up a little bit. Sorry. Okay. Now we're going to put in the screws that actually go into the metal clips that we installed. And we just kind of want to get it started. Okay, hold on one second. And we're going to get all three of them started. There, up front, at the bottom, where my finger is, and then over here in the back. And that's it for the OEM Ford liners. Very easy install. Took about 30 minutes, super easy. They're made to fit perfect. Get them at your Ford dealer. Fairly cheap, get a little discount. And that's it. Makes the truck look a whole lot better. 2018 Ford F-150 rear wheel well liners. See ya!